One of my biggest frustrations when shipping things is always having to print off, cut, and tape the shipping labels to the packages. So I was super happy when I was gifted this label printer by the brand. So thank you so much, the brand, for gifting this to me. It has made my life so much easier. It came with this shipping label paper or labels, and also with another set of general labels, because this does more than just shipping labels. It can print anything for you, and it doesn't use ink. It uses a photothermal process, so you don't have to worry about ink running out. Anything you can print directly from your phone or your computer, and it comes with and even an adapter for your Mac. This is to plug into a regular print or computer, and then this will connect straight into your Mac if you want to connect with a Mac. With your phone, you just use Wi-Fi. It's super easy. You download the app and you can print anything. So I have done a sample label here that is great. And then I've also printed off just a sample couple of fun little labels. It came with this label, this colored little circular labels as well. So you can do it you could put it on birthday gifts, as I've done a little happy birthday one. You could put it on, if you were organizing your pantry, you can put it on all of your different containers, saying what's in there for all of your dried pantry items. You can label just about anything. You can get different types of labels. You could use it for luggage tags. There is so many different things that you could use this for. And I really love this cute little pink color. It is compact, easy to put away, and like I said, super easy to use. You got it. If you do not have a label printer and you have a business where you're shipping out products on a daily basis, or you are organizing your life, you definitely need this. It will make things so much easier. Thanks so much.